Close your eyes and feel the breeze. Savai whispers through the trees. Sunset paints the hills in gold. Children's laughter, stories told. Elders beneath the sacred shade. Ancient tales in every glade. Bese o levasa forever true. Weaves our roots in me and you. Lelaoso in Samoa beams bright. A spirit dancing in the night. Fa'aloalo, alofa steady and pure, anchors us all forever endure. Graceful Aute glide and sway, honoring vows in proud display. Besa Samoa sounds so sweet, heritage strong in rhythm and beat. Ole ao e momoe, let the dreams take flight, a legacy of hope and light. May Oranganu'u rise and soar, and the spirit of Samoa will live on forevermore. Please enjoy this number choreographed by Moana Tongi of the Aute team.